Good morning, everybody. Hope you all had a great weekend. Let's see what's going on. Futures are went red, a little bit red so far. Let's see what's going on. So pre-market, 1 hour is still pointing down, and the 4 hours since we got a dead cross, golden cross, and dead cross again is pointing down. We have FOMC, CPI, PPI this week, so big data is coming, and there's gonna be a big move. So before FOMC, there is few situation can happen. Either it's gonna be a consolidation, nothing happened until the report, or it's gonna be some exiting or maybe another fly up. We'll see. So gotta be prepared for every situation. Pre-market right now, 5 is down, 15 is near that cross, and 30 was up, but right now on this pullback is curved down. So if the 30 MACD that cross confirms, we can have a little bit more exit or more fall down at open. And then if we do break Friday low, that's gonna be dangerous. Just watch out for that. NQ, same thing like ES. 15 is already that cross, 30 is near that cross. 1 hour, 4 hour pointing down, and the daily and weekly are flat. Dow Jones, we get the first red bars on the weekly. Weekly TTM squeeze, so that's a very warning sign. If we do break, if we go below that level, this level on the May, that's gonna be dangerous. So we'll see what FOMC does to that. RTY, a very weak name, even though S&P 500, Nasdaq, they made a new all-time high last week. RTY wasn't even jumping out of the. It was trying to bounce out of the range, but it didn't even run up, and it was even weaker last 2 days on Thursday and Friday. And right now it's breaking below the range, so that's not a good sign for small caps. And note that when the 10-year was falling, IWM wasn't flying, and now 10-year is going higher. Of course, this one has to fall lower. So let me see just one more time. RTY. RTY very bearish on the 4 hour daily and weekly. 15:30 1 hour is downward. 1 hour is kind of flat, but if market falls more, this one is gonna fall the most. It's already 1% lower. DXY, sorry about that. DXY weekly MACD was dead crossing, but right now on these two very green candle is bouncing back up. Daily MACD is golden cross. The higher this goes, it's not going to be good for market, and especially techs. 105.492, that's a key level to watch. Past that one, we're looking at 105, almost 106.614. That's the next major level. 10-year up run again. This one. Next target is coming back again to 4.574, so probably gonna go there again. 4 hour very bullish upward. It was very huge up on Friday, like 4%, and market was making a new all-time high. So that was just a little bit, not a normal situation. Next target, 4 hour very bullish upward. Daily MACD is curved up very sharply up, and 4.574, that's the next major possible to come before FOMC. Wix, it's very funny, 8% higher, and the indexes are a small red. That's a very warning sign. So if Wix goes above 1370, if it runs up, if it goes above 1373, it can be a big pullback in market to come. Above 1373, next targets are 1479, 1586. If it goes below 1307 and runs down and goes green to a smaller green and then red, that's gonna be a bullish sign. So keep an eye on that one. 5 is up, 31 hour is still bullish upward. If the 30 MACD dead cross, sign for market recovery and go higher. But if you see 15 MACD golden cross, be very cautious. 4 hour golden cross upward, so that's not a good sign. SPX, let me fix this one. So 20% lower, that's like what, 1 point. So 50, 20, that's 10 points. So close 53.746, 53.35. Right now it's gonna open again around 53.35. Key level to watch is 53.29. Past that one, next targets are 53.15, 53.02. If 53.44 passes, run back again to 53.56. Above that, sky is the limit. BTC was very weak on Friday. It suddenly started falling midday. Market followed it, but did some and then market followed it. Just keep that in mind. 4 hour very bearish downward. Daily MACD is curved down, still inside the range, nothing major yet, but it just broke the 70 and went below it. So we'll see what the reaction is going to be afterward. Right now, pre-market, 30 and 1 hour is upward. So if you see 30 MACD dead cross, it can fall again. ETH. Daily MACD is dead crossing, so that's some exiting there. Apple near no all-time high. All-time high is 199 something. 197.94. If it does pass that one, we're looking at 199.52, 201. Event to start today, so if it does run up to 200 pass, 203, 205, 207. It depends what they say. If they talk about AI, maybe it runs up. But if it's sell the news, if 196 can hold it, 195, 194, 194.02 is next major. If it gets crazy sell off, 191 can come. 1 hour, we're getting a dark blue bar, still bullish on the 4 hour. So we'll see what the market reaction is going to be. Amazon was a nice breakout last week, but was hard to stay above 185. 4 hours near that cross. Daily MACD's golden cross. I like that one. Sorry about that. So key level to watch is 183 and 184.34. If it passed 185.35, we're looking at 186, 188. If 183 can hold it, back to 182 and 180. Nvidia, we got this split. This name, watch it today, but try to avoid it unless it makes a big move. When it opens, premium is gonna be all over the place, and only if it big moves in the favor of that direction, like call or puts, then the premium is gonna move crazy. So unless it doesn't move crazy, it's gonna be a lot of premium killing and needs to be avoided for probably, I don't know, maybe a few days, maybe a few weeks until the premiums adjust. So 118 if you can, 118.68 if you can hold it. Next supports are 117, 116. That's the movements is gonna become very small. So it's gonna be less desirable for option players. But we'll see. If 120.24 pass, 121, 122.76, 125.28 next major level. Pre-market right now 15.31 hours downward, 4 hours pointing down, but it's still very bullish on daily and weekly. AVGO earning is coming out this week and it's still bullish on the 4 hour. We get dark blue bars. So if the 14.20 pass, 14.37, 14.67 on higher level, all-time high is not too far, so it's possible to make an all-time high before earning. If it follows the market a little bit, 14.02, 13.89 support, and those are in case more pullback. Coin was very weak on Friday because of the BTC. 241 if you can hold it, 237, 233, 230. Need to get above 243 for running back up to 245 and 248. Very bearish on the 1 hour and 4 hour, and 15 is dead crossing. So if the 30 MACD dead cross confirms break below the pre-market low, it can go lower. But if it goes, if you see 1 hour showing a yellow bar TTM squeeze and past 243, can go for recovery. Need BTC to recover. Netflix earning is like 5 weeks away. 4 hour dead cross downward was a week on Friday, so watch out. 241, 240. It's 640 if you can hold it. We're looking at 636, 631, 628. Need to get above 643 for recovery upward, but for now direction pointing down on the hourly and 4 hour. Meta, a week close on Friday too. 4 hours dead cross, 1 hour is pointing down. So 2 key levels to watch is 491, 493, 493 pass, 495, 497, 491 if you can hold it, 490, 488, and 487. Tesla, vote is getting close. Nobody knows the outcome yet. It had a nice run up on Friday, but right now is gapping down 1 point. So 2 key levels to watch is 176 and 177.59. If 177.59 run back breaks, we're looking at 178, 181, 183. If 176 can hold it, back to 174, 172, and 170. It's better to avoid it unless it starts making a big move. 4 hour got a golden cross last week, but right now it's pointing down. So if it dead crosses, it can fall again. 1 hour is pointing down, and I don't like that one. Microsoft. Microsoft got a big upgrade to 500 something. That's crazy. So 425, 427 next key level for run up. 4 hours still bullish. Not dead cross yet. So it does have a chance more for run up. 427 pass. It can run up to new all time high. But it's tough for this market. We'll see if FOMC make it. If pulls back 421, 420 support levels. Below that, those are the next levels. Google. Very weak on Friday, and but right now we got a yellow bar on the 1 hour on the hourly TTM squeeze. So 174, 173 next support level. If it does break those, lower level can go 171, 169. But 15 and 30 is upward. So if it breaks 174.51, it can run up again to 175.27, 176.48. AMD, MS, Morgan Stanley, they downgraded them. But know that Morgan Stanley is very crooked. I saw in the past many times that they downgraded a name, they pushed it down, then later on we realized that they loaded up in the dip and made a lot of profit. So right now pre-market 31 hour 4 hours pointing down. If it falls more, 161.58 is a key level to watch. Below that, 158, 156.93. Need to get above 165 for recovery. 64.46 recovery to 165, 167 higher level. SMCI follows NVIDIA, AMD, I think a little bit. So if 761 can hold it, 752 next major. Below that, goes to 736, 720, and 710. Note that it's losing its mojo. This one is getting very weak and is not running up and is continuing weakness. So it's possible 700 to come this week with this weakness. Anyhow, not seeing anything bullish right now. But if 768 passes, 777, 793 next major level. SPY, 533, 534 key levels. If you pass those, run up to the higher level. If 533 can hold it, we're looking at 531, 531 next major. Below that, if market gets sell off, 527.34. Note that Friday we did get a drop into the market midday on the market on the algos program sell off. So usually after that it's possible to get again. So just note that. QQQ pre-market 15:30 1 hour is pointing down. So 461 if it can hold it, 461.19. If it does pass that one, we're looking at 459.82, 458.98. And below that, those are the next major. Need to get above 462 for running up to the higher level. AVGO, I did it. What else? IWM puts coming every day non-stop. 198.83 can hold it. We're looking at 196.97. What else? MSTR, if BTC goes lower, 1583 is a key level to watch. Past that one, 1557, 1532, 1517. What else? GME. 1 hour is curved up, but it's still very bearish on the 4 hour. Wait for the next 4 hour golden cross for this one. What else? CRWD. This one is making a new all-time high. So if it continues run up 374, 380, above 380 can does 387, 397. Doubt it goes that high. It's possible some profit locking out open. So yeah. Yep, that's pretty much it. And have a beautiful day. Take care.